In this video, I will go over Dayforce Payroll, demo and review. Going over the pros, cons, pricing and more. Payroll is widely recognised for its strengths as part of an integrated human capital management suite, bringing payroll, HR benefits and workforce management together into one single environment. One of its most praised advantages is its real-time payroll processing, which allowed administrators to make corrections on the fly and review data continuously before final submission. The feature reduces errors, increases compliance and provides payroll teams with peace of mind. Another major advantage is the platform's strong employee self-service capabilities, giving staff the ability to pay history, download tax forms and review payroll breakdowns anytime in both the web and mobile interfaces. Organisations also benefit from its extensive reporting and analytical features, which consolidates HR, payroll data into one powerful dashboard. These tools can clean and help companies to uncover workflow and workforce trends, identifying risks and improving strategic decisions. Furthermore, Dayforce Payroll has a strong global capacity and capability, which makes it a reliable choice for organisations with employees across multiple different countries. It supports complex tax regulations, diverse pay structures and varying compliance around the world. Despite its many advantages, Dayforce Payroll comes with a severe challenge that organisations should consider carefully. One of the most frequent complaints is related to the system's performance, as some users report slow response times, long load periods, and during peak payroll cycles. This can cause a lot of frustration for administrators and delay important tasks. The platform's complexity is another hurdle. While its configurability allows for robust customization, it also creates a steep learning curve for payroll teams and HR. Implementing advanced features often requires technical expertise, significant time and ongoing maintenance. This can strain resources, especially for smaller organisations. In addition, customer support has also been noted as inconsistent, with some users experiencing long wait times and limited responsiveness while trying to resolve issues. Another point of frustration is its hidden or unexpected cost associated with certain updates or changes. As organisations continually find themselves paying additional fees for adjustments they assume were covered in the base subscription. These factors may seem the system as burdensome at times, particularly when payroll efficiency and reliability are two of the most top priorities. Dayforce pricing. Dayforce Payroll follows a subscription-based pricing model, with costs varying depending on the size of organisation and the number of the employees, as well as the modules selected. Larger companies with thousands of employees can expect a lot higher cost, especially if they require additional functionality, such as benefit management, HR, global payroll capacities, and more. With specific pricing features are not always publicly disclosed, estimates suggest that the organisation typically pays per employee per month, with rates increasing significantly when global payroll and employer of record services are involved. Some businesses, especially those with simpler payrolls, the investment may feel steep compared to other competitors with more basic offerings. However, Dayforce positions itself with around value, emphasizes the return on investment from a streamlined operation, reducing errors, saving time, and unified reporting. For mid-sized to large enterprises, the cost can often be justified, but with smaller businesses with limited needs, Dayforce Payroll has better alternatives in the market. The ease of use of Dayforce Payroll is the balance of strength and complexities. On one hand, the interface is modern, clean, and designed with accessibility in mind. Employees often find them self-service features very intuitive, as they can easily check their pay stubs, request time off, and manage personal information without needing constant assistance from HR or their manager. The mobile application is particularly well received, offering employees flexibility to handle payroll, HR tasks all on the go. However, for administrators and managers, the experience can be more challenging. The platform's advanced features and extensive configurability requires a thorough understanding of the system, and training it often unlocks its full potential. Organisations new to Dayforce may find the setup process very demanding and long-winded, as workflows and automations need to be carefully configured to work effectively on the platform. Additionally, while the platform is frequently updated with new features and improvements, these updates can sometimes include instability and require additional retraining for some members of staff, adding to the overall complexity. In this sense, the ease of use heavily depends on the user's role and level of training that they will receive before using Dayforce Payroll. Dayforce competes in a highly competitive HCM market and payroll market with major rivals including Workday, UKG, Velocity, ADP, and newer payroll providers. Compared to Workday, Dayforce is often praised for its strong payroll engine and real-time processing. Though, some may argue that Workday has a smoother interface and stronger integration with HR functionalities. Against UKG, Dayforce is seen as very more comprehensive in the payroll space, but less user-friendly in certain areas, particularly when it comes to navigation and employee experience. Velocity and ADP, meanwhile, tend to appeal to medium-sized businesses that want a more simple and more affordable payroll solution without much complexity. For companies operating internationally, Dayforce competes with Deal and Papago Global, though these new players tend to offer a more straightforward employer of record service, while Dayforce provides a more robust full-scale HCRM. Ultimately, Dayforce stands out for its depth and scalability, but its competition offers more leaner and more approachable solutions. Overall, Dayforce Payroll is a powerful and highly capable system designed to meet the needs of a mid to large enterprise looking for full integration, approach to payroll and human capital management. Its ability to process payroll in real time and provide advanced analytics and support employees with mobile-friendly self-service tools makes it a standout choice for complex organizations with a diverse workforce and different skills. Global compliance features is also positioned as an excellent option for companies with international operations, ensuring that payroll runs smoothly across multiple different jurisdictions and continents. At the same time, organizations must be prepared for the platform's challenges. Its complexity requires significant training and resources, and its performance issues, along with occasional frustrations around customer support, may limit its overall experience. The pricing is also on the higher end, meaning businesses with simpler payroll may not use the full benefit of Dayforce offers. For companies that are ready to invest into a robust, scalable solution with strong payroll governance, Dayforce Payroll delivers significant value. However, for smaller teams or businesses looking for simplicity, competitors may provide a more cost-effective and user-friendly alternative. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.